go out and show myself ukuthi I'm a new boy on the block.
Yeah.
Yena sewukhulile as experience but namhlanje it's all about me.
Ubani nje amajita nje bewahlupha nje. Angisho mina niyazi bengihlupha. So as a leader ubani lo ntwana bekade uthi makuyiwe campaign imele umbheke umonitor ukuthi use campaign ulele ngesikhathi so that kusasa sathi ukuthi azokunikeza 110%.
For the current captain njengamanje uBhule Ndlolane. Hey, yeah, that boy is something else. Something else.
Mara boshaya isicathulo nawe ntwana.
Hayi namanje futhi. Ngeke ngiyeke.
Ya bafita chip yakhe ayicolela ndothi kunini basikhwaya laba. Yeah, namanje usasena le yakraka.
Futhi ngikhumbula kahle nginawe lapha eJohannesburg. Azathi ujaba emidlalo yemakancane.
Ngithe uyehlise ndoda.
Siyasebenza la.
Ngithe ndoda. Hey uyalwa wena.
Sanibonani ma-South Africa amahle. My name is Busiso Mahlangu, your host on Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. As you can see namhlanje uJabu akekho, so yimi oshaya igatari namhlanje. Guys, I've got you a guy from the East, Ekurhuleni. I know most of people Ekelethu. A lot of people have been complaining ukuthi hey madoda nasilethela labantu abasekurhuleni. But there's nothing we can do, man. It shows us struggle in terms of finances. We can't get to KZN, we can't get to Mpumalanga, we can't get to Cape Town. We can only do with what we can get. So, guys, we really need support in terms of finances, so we can get you all the legends that played football in South Africa. Today, in Patele, a no-nonsense defender, a no-nonsense defender, a hard tackler, the man that I played football with from Ekasi Sisakula until sifika ku professional football. Aloka shaya isicathulo umjida. Hayi uyashaya isicathulo. Ladies and gentlemen, help me to welcome Uthapelo Chepis Chilo. Uthini njaya?
Ngiyaphila nje baba.
No, good to have you mfana on the show. Kunini sekufuna people view our viewers. Dala bafuna mfana ukuthi sikudonse but as you know kancane. So yeah mfana ngiyabonga ukuthi namhlanje ugcine ufika nawe la. I know you are a very busy man, so we really appreciate your time. Mfana asingene endabeni, we don't have much time. Asingene endabeni mfana a lot of us. But if you know football, you will understand mabathi Chepis. But ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi libuyaphi. How did this name come about intwana? Chepis.
Yeah. Ngiyabonga sense, ngiyabonga na wonke umuntu okhona la ekhaya. Thapelo wase Whiteville. Yeah. Ngazalwa ngakhula eWhiteville here in Benoni. So yeah, libuya kude igama la Chepis, libuya kude. I think masikhula nje sisonke sidlala ekasi. And then there was a guy, the late uSilo Rabutata.
Okay, the journalist.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Uye umuntu wavele igama le because I was playing for Watford ngesikhathi leso. And then moving from Watford to kuya Manchester. Bekuyi team yakhe yaSilo ke le.
Manchester United.
Yase Whiteville kodwa.
Oh, yase Whiteville. He was saying it how?
Yeah, no, yase Whiteville na Manchester. Ne Watford yase Whiteville.
Yeah.
Both premiership teams got yase Whiteville.
Yeah,
so that's when uSilo Rabutata ilabona khona wavela ukuthi ayimali indoda yamakha le. Mangimnikeza isipani ukuthi hlala lo muntu lo uzoyenza kanjalo uzohlala naye. Lavela kanjalo igama la Chepis ke ukuthi no wena you stick endodeni. Yeah, uhambe na 90 minutes.
Umafele
emntwini. Lavela kanjalo.
So uSilo Rabutata, was he a coach or did he own a team or something?
He was owning Manchester United.
Yes. So usuke kuchisa wena.
Yes.
Phela also played for Watford United. Yeah. So usuke kuchisa odlalela i-team yaka
kaSilo Rabutata.
YaSilo Rabutata. So from Ekasi abobani udlale nabo mhlambe that people know that play also went on to play professional football.
Yeah, the guys are like Abo Nkululeko Kayitano, Abo Tabang Mokwakli played for Dynamos. The guys in Galen Nabo Ekasi Nabo, no surprise, he was playing for Watford. Surprise Moreira.
Yeah,
he was playing for Watford as well. He was my senior. by the time I was playing for the juniors.
Yeah.
So yeah, abantu engidlale nabo nje abuye kasi engithi abantu abafike ku the highest level.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell us, my brother. I want you to give us your background. Ukuthi, like you said now, we are Whiteville, but I want you to take us through a family background yakho. Ukuthi ubuye family nenjani? Did you have any people maybe abadlalile ibhola ekhaya, maybe your father, your uncles, or anyone that motivated?
Sure.
So this is what you are doing. Uyitshela ngomlomo wakho. 100 years from now, your grandkids would be watching this show. Bazwa ukuthi umkhulu Thapelo Tshilo beka umuntu so he played football and they would listen to your stories. So I encourage amajita ukuthi bangasabi kuza kuma podcast. It doesn't have to be our podcast. They can go to uJosta Dladla, they can go to other podcasts, but go and tell your story, because some of the stories when ngikutshele people bane perception ngo Thapelo Tshilo ukuthi uso because of what they read in the papers. Phela makusadlala thina bekusese iphepha.
Yeah, that's
and
true.
yabo ama-journalists Silo Rabutata being one of them, they would write a story the way bafuna ngakhona.
Yeah.
So I encourage amajita to come and to this podcast and come and tell their stories, write their books.
Yeah, that's true.
So yeah, I want you now to khululeke and tell your story the way you want to tell us, so that 100 years from now story sakho angeke sichange, akunamuntu uzosithwika yenze na yenze. Sohlala sinjalo.
Yeah, that's true.
So ngicela ungicalele nje umlando wakho nje from ekhaya, wayesigela, your amateur teams that you played for eKasi until you got to Cosmos.
Yeah, njengoba ngishilo sense played for Watford Brothers, Abazinge, the Hunters.
Yeah.
That's where everything started. And then from there ngaya kwi Manchester na yasekasi, and then from there we played against the Cosmos juniors ngos and then that's when everything started.
Okay.
And then from there we played game yokuqala, we were playing eJoburg, Springfield, that's where Cosmos they were training that time.
Okay.
Their first team and everything. We played the game Nabo as Manchester, and then from there that's when uBraji Langbone khona. Athi no man, uyangifuna, I want that boy ukuthi azojoin i-academy, and then sadlala i-second league mangasho kanjalo eWhiteville naye futhi neCosmos. And then immediately after game, it was on Saturday. After game on Saturday le wathi no Monday uzofika yena azokhuluma nabazali uBraji. Yeah. And then sibe ne-agreement ukuthi no, I'm going to the academy. That's where I felt my studies ke khulele academy ke from 2001 until 2004. Udlala academy. That's when I was promoted ke to the first team Cosmos. Yeah, umlando ekhaya endlini ke ubaba udlala ibhola.
Alright.
Yeah, kodwa ke azange afike la ngifike khona mina because of uyazi musikudala bezingekho zonke lento ezikhona sinazo manje. Yes. So ubaba and my late uncle naye udlala ibhola naye, same naye boma defender. So I think ngithathe lapho nami ke ibuye endlini lento nesiqathu nawo konke. So bona bawesi ke bona futhi bazokulimaza nje futhi kungabi indaba zalutho ngeenkathi zawo. But now if football changile, it's modern now. There's into eziningi ezenzekayo. There's your VARs manje ngeke ukwenza into ezi.
But when udlala ingekho iVAR and now like you saying bebakhahlela kungabi indaba zayo, you are also like that now in terms of.
Yeah, but bengismart mina sense. Bengismart. Bengingakishaya kubonakala ukuthi anyakushaya manje. Kodwa nje makalahlile ureferee ngithi nje kancane. Yeah, ngikuthi nje. Besingakuthuka futhi ngithi hey ngizosebenza la. Ngicashiwe la ngizodlala. Hayi. Ekhaba bheke mina ngithi. Yeah, so yasuka kanjalo ke indaba kaChepisi until today. Saselo Chepisi lo nje.
But me knowing you as a person on a personal level, you outside the field, you are a very calm guy, very relaxed. You can joke around, but when you get onto that field, something changes. Even today, kuma masters, you still hey baba hey. Umuntu kumele adlalele le fair now, you know. What happens when you get onto the field, because it's like unama personalities or ama characters I2.
Yeah.
You've got this one that people are watching now, the
Yeah.
very calm guy, and then you've got another one mawungene ground in nje ukuthi yazi naye.
I think character yam sense I'm like that vele from growing up. Once nginikezwa ispan or a task ngiyayenza nje ngibe serious ngicede, and then after that everything is done.
Span is
Span. Sisespanning.
So one would think, okay, let me just say mina, seeing that you coming from Cosmos
Yeah.
and you come from that school
Yeah.
of defenders
Yeah.
where siyazi Cosmos ntwana, if you are a defender mele ushaya isicathulo.
Vele injalo.
It's a given.
Injalo.
So mina I thought this thing maybe uyithole from Cosmos.
Yeah.
That is where you learned that thing, that mentality ukuthi iparamelanga idlalele la kuwe.
Yeah.
So I thought maybe it comes from that. Is it something that maybe Braje gives you or tells you makaloku akudevelop ukuthi you need to be like it as a defender?
Yeah.
Don't allow abantu badlalele la kuwe. Or
Injalo.
njengoba
Injalo.
usho ukhula nayo or
Yes. Yona into engikhula nayo, and then ngadlala i-team engikuthi they will tell you from training nje uBraje will tell you as a defender you need to be hard.
yeah.
You need to be hard so that i-drag ngidlalele kuwe.
Yeah.
Makafika kuwe nje azi ukuthi la usenkingeni la. So nje into engikhule nayo ngingakusho into engikhule nayo nje kodwa nje vele physically Cosmos kuyaziwa.
Kuyaziwa.
Yeah, I think into efela iCosmos at the moment balahle identity yabo, culture yabo. Yeah, yokuthi Cosmos is a physical team.
So would you say in terms of recruitment yaka Braje,
Yeah,
because I look at you structure sakho,
yeah,
all the defenders the Cosmos, you are very tall.
yeah.
Very tall. You are standing at what, 1.9 meters tall.
Yes.
And all the defenders of Cosmos Valley, you must be tall, you must be strong. So Upraje maga recruit my players. I've never seen a short defender. Maybe on the sides,
on the
but
sides,
centrally,
yeah. Central, no.
you must be tall.
Yeah.
So Upraje vele I recruitment yakhe beka recruiter kanjalo vele. That's what he looks at first before maybe ukhathlela ibhola already magafika once he sees the height.
Yeah, I think in a sense leyo vele ilihlo lakhe lokusport uBraje italent as yonke into nje ayisportayo. As a defender need to be tall. Unless like Njobu show now we right back or left back, and then you will go ngabo shorty.
Yeah.
Because now number one as a right back, left back you have to go forward and come back.
Need to be quick
But
as
manje
well, yeah.
exactly manje mawumuntu laphayana it's going to be a problem you coming back.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think ilihlo lakhe that's how he sports talent in Braje. Yeah.
Okay, all right, Ntwana. So the love of football ibuya ekhaya.
Ibuye ekhaya. Yeah, ibuye ekhaya.
No, that's good, mfethu. So you play at the development bona bobani lapha ku development. Amajita that eventually got promoted to the first team.
At that time, at Cosmos, bengino nabolitholo Mufukeng Kan was a Free State.
Yambona
I had
uKhan,
Lizo Mjempu, who is
Yeah,
a coach
coach.
now. Yeah,
Yeah.
Mokiti Tsotetsi, your Morgan Gold. Yes, all those guys. One thing Glana Academy and Kula Nabunj.
So you got promoted the same time to the first team.
No, me I promoted later afterborn.
Afterborn.
Yeah, afterborn. Yeah, because that time in the Mxese Academy, I remember I used to travel no coach, you call and claim
Yeah.
from Whitefield to Joburg for training. So yeah.
Yeah, uKollen yena. When you got promoted, was he still playing?
We were still playing, yeah. And then we went on to coach reserve team. That's when I was promoted, man.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
that's
So it
it.
became easier for
Yes,
you.
yes.
It's not like when you replace yena.
Kahle.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Because I thought maybe because you guys come from Whiteville together.
Yes.
Then back promoter useselapho usadlala naye.
Hayi ngisuse yena.
So say was there no tension nyana maybe?
Obvious,
ukuthi
obvious.
Ntwana iyangiretire-isa ke
Obvious
manje.
sense izohlala ikhona because my samba soyithu emotweni.
Yeah.
So I know everything angithi
Yeah.
because ngihamba nasiyaxoxa. So now uyabona ukuthi hey lento le ngathi iza ngenonsense efuna ukungisusa manje la.
Yeah.
Obvious, but then again as a professional player, a matured player, you understand ukuthi isikhathi sifikile.
Isikhathi sifikile,
Yeah,
yeah.
sifikile. Let the young ones come in.
so yena uyithathe kanjani mara mawubheka wena mawuloku uhamba naye la motweni angithi ekuqaleni phela bekake lifta kamnandi
Yeah, bekumnandi.
but manje you are coming for his job manje
Bekungekho mnandi sense, to be honest, because I remember one time besidlala Ellis Park nge-reserve team. It was before the first team izodlala Cosmos ne Chiefs. So we're playing there. Funny enough, bengiyi-one ebenchini. And then now umuntu uyacabanga ukuthi hayi man. Lo muntu sibuya sungekasi man. Awusayenza iplan ukuthi hayi man umakasana adlayo namhlanje nawe. Yazini wavela ngibeka ngaphandle nje. 90 minutes hlele ebenchini. So ngazibuza ukuthi hayi man why lo muntu enza kanje? But me understanding football ngathi hayi uyayibona ingozi ngithi ukuthi hayi man lo muntu uzongisusa lo. Once angadlala performa kahle. Uyongisusa lo muntu ukudlala yena. So ngayibona lapho ukuthi hayi man kenzeka football, so he had to move for me to come in.
And one would think ukuthi since it comes from ikasi lakho umntwana yakhe ukhulumile, he would give you advice on what and what not to do on and off the field. But that never happened.
No, we'll talk angadvise ngendlela nje njengehotman.
Yeah,
not as a teammate but as a hotman nje ukuthi no chepi masofika kwi level lo SSO izinto nazinto kumele uzenze lezi ungazenzi. You need to focus egameni yakho lo okunye kuzoza after. As a hotman,
at least he gave you that advice.
Yes.
No, that's good for him, hotman. That's what we expect anyways. And also I know really when a young player comes or any player comes into a team by sign, there'll always be problems. There'll always be problems because we are cabanga isipansam ngathi yavaya manje. Yebo, yeah, so yeah, asifike ke mfana uyafika ku first team lapha. It transition yakho from the development to the first team. Uyafika ku first team now Majida. I'm sure uthola bodi khang mabalane lapha.
Yeah.
Thola mhlamba bokatlongo, bobanban, superstars, people that have played the game, you've seen them on TV. Mawufika lapha, are you intimidated? How do you feel kanjani nje as?
Sure, yeah, it was a big one. It was a big one sense because I was still young. And then now I had to go and compete nabo Andrew Rabukla, nabo Thabang Molefe, even nayo Colin, and then there was Spusiso Mhlongo, yes. So intwana encane man uyabona na ukuthi hey ayilazi yabuyela. Nabo Morgan now coming in, nabo Mkiti, Valerie Nahayo. So it was a big one for me, but ngazitshela ukuthi azini I'll remain humble ngisebenze and do my job. Yeah.
But wona la recruitment la compete now position i-reception yabo injani towards you?
No, beba right because they knew ukuthi ngibuya academy ngithi.
Yeah.
So it's unlike ngibuya ngaphandle kwenye team.
There was already relationship between wena nabo bese bakukena.
Yes, especially the likes of Morgan nabo Mkiti. Abantu engidlale nabo vela growing up. So mangifika ku first team bangwelcome nje kwamnandisa qhubeka ngempilo. It wasn't a big thing for me.
Yeah. And your first game uyafika lapha, your first game we are started. Let me not say starting, but your first game being introduced to you, ungene ngesub or waqala vele as a first level?
My first game, I think, besise Cape Town against the Santos. Yeah, against the Santos. I was nervous, I won't lie. I was nervous, very nervous, but then I had to calm myself down ukuthi yazini into bengifuna le. So now opportunity fikile. I had to grab it. Yeah, ngishona khona. And then funny enough, second game we were playing Sundowns HM Pitch against the Surprise Moriri. Yasekas. So it was something else. It was something else sense. But again, Upra J wangihlalisa phansi wathi no Chepi, we know ukuthi nibuye eKaseli 1, but namhla is not about the Kas. It's about Cosmos and Sundowns. And you are playing against ukamakasana wakho. So mbonise kunamhlanje ukuthi boss ubani. Yeah. So I had to go out and show myself ukuthi I'm a new boy on the block. Yena so ukhulile as experience, but namhlanje it's all about me.
Umshanga phathi.
Obvious. Hayi ngamsebenza. Yeah, so I think Sundowns won that game 2-1. And then after game everything was fine. It was only for 90 minutes.
Wasetlila manje.
Yeah, after that everything went well. Aseklia.
Yeah, so So there's this thing that happens, and again, I always say this: our show, Ntwana, it's all about to educate, to
Yeah.
entertain, and also to engage our fans.
Yes.
So, as you're telling your story, someone out there is listening to it. Ntwana Encane is listening to your story. We are learning from it.
Yes.
As we say, we educate.
Yes, yes.
So, whatever eyenzakala namhlanje ebholweni
Yeah.
iyenzakalile ngathi sisadlala and nathi masisadlala yenzakala before
And
so
isazoyenzeka.
isazoyenzeka
Yes,
futhi
yes.
so it's anything that happens in life ayikho new, even
Yeah.
the Bible says so. Nothing is new under the sun.
Yes.
So that is why we are telling this story. To some people they might say, you are telling the same story, but it's helping someone osadlala manje intwana nyane iphuma development esesenama ambitions to make it pro.
Yes.
So for when the transition from development to a first team, I'm sure you played with a lot of talented players, even from Ekas in Tuan, a lot of talented players, but the talent alone is not enough.
Yes. That's true.
What is it that when you have that made you to stand out and be Chapelo and wagcina so dlala professional football that maybe other players that were talented more than you
Yeah.
never made it? Yini obona ukuthi this is it that made me ukuthi ngiphumelele mhlawumbe?
I believe sense it's all about dedication nokuzimisela.
Yeah.
Nokuzimisela nje uzitshela ukuthi into oyifunayo nayi and you focus kule nto leyo oyifunayo.
Yeah.
I think you'll never go wrong. So nje uyimisela, hard work and focus. And focus ku everything oyenzayo. Yekela okunye nje focus kule nto oyifunayo. I think you'll never go wrong.
Because I'm asking these questions because now kune DDC.
Yeah.
There's also a GDL.
Yes.
So most of these young boys, I'm coaching with GDL. I know you are a coach now. You're also
Yes.
coaching go Hollywood.
Yes.
I see these boys that play these development leagues, DDC and GDL. Maybe you're playing for Chiefs, Sundowns, Pirates,
Yes.
Highlands. These boys think they've made it. And they're still good development in
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
And I'm saying to them, I tell them, Guti, do you know how many players that never made it
Yeah.
because of attitude?
That's true. That's true.
Because they think GDL or DDC is
You've made it.
You've made it.
Yeah.
Awukafiki
Yeah.
ku-pro. Uyangithola Ntwana?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is why I'm asking you this question ukuthi what is it that made you ukuthi uphumelele and end up being pro?
Yeah.
So amajita le ntwana lezi ungazitshelani Ntwana ukuthi yazini bafowethu?
I think in a sense the generation yamanje they are so fortunate to have all these things. Thina bezingekho into lezo.
Yeah.
We will play i-reserve league team and then it's done. Ayikho lento le yama GDL nan but bona they are so fortunate. Kodwa bakubona lokho. Once they play kuma DDC they think ukuthi no I've achieved. I have hit the roof. And abayenze nix. They need to remain humble basebenze. That's all.
Yeah.
Babasebenze nje kuphela.
Yeah. All right, Ntwana, let's move on. Ama challenges that you face as a young player from Ekasi, from good development, you've made it pro now.
Yeah.
Ekasi sebakena ukuthi Ntwana udlalela iCosmos first team.
Yeah.
What are the challenges owafacile Ntwana nje outside football? Because definitely we face those challenges as players.
Yeah.
Sebayangazi sekhona lo yacherinyana lo ya dala ngimfuna senginokushaya iwalk ngishaya igwegwe ngiphumelele lapha ngathi ngishaya ama tracksuit uyangithola zonke lezo zinto sonke Ntwana we went through that. Wena ungangitshela ukuthi owabanye asifana ngithi wena ngithanda bo cherry mina ngithanda ibhiya so omunye athande asifani uyangithola khona umuntu uzovele abe nabangani ababad bamthatha angasalali yabona. Wena kwenzakaleni because vele when you make it uzoba nabangani abaningi. Wena kwenzakaleni
awumazi nalokuthandana nongakuthandi futhi angithi nalokuthandana ongakuthanda umazi
uyangithola.
Yes. Mina I was so disciplined ngendlela ukuthi obvious mawumuntu na mistake wakho wenzayo along the way
perfect.
but then ke mawumuntu uyazibuyisa
Yeah.
utime man mina I'm here but ke facing challenges obviously as a young footballer, young soccer player, kunesikhathi la you need into ezifana ama soccer boots.
Yeah.
Awunazo. And then now what do? You ask your parents abanayo imali at that time. And then wenze njani, you borrow from your friends, omunye akafuna ukuboleka. Uzoyenza kanjani? You use what you have. You use what you have. So mina by that time, lucky enough, I had abantu abadlala ibhola. So I will take nje ama-cox time engiwathole endleleni ngishone khona. I'll make use of what I have ngawusikhathi lesi. So yeah, laba manje they're so fortunate man, they're so fortunate, they need to work ngento abanazo. Yeah.
So azange ube nenkinga yamantombazana or ihasi.
Abocheri bahlala bakhona abocheri. Kodwa ke mina ngawusikhathi leso no benginomuntu bengizwana naye ngazi ukuthi la mangendlini straightly straight and right angizange focus kakhulu ngaphandle. Yeah, noma bakhona ngaphandle but you always focus ukuthi la I'm okay ngela.
Waba loyal to umuntu wakho.
Nje.
And that help you to focus
until today
and block
yes,
the noise.
Yes.
Oh, okay, no, it's yiyo mfethu into those are the small details that we don't see or people don't know.
Yeah.
But they matter kakhulu mfethu. That is where we lose talent elibhaya.
Yes.
Lisaqala because uphandlwa ama light. Mina I'll tell you a story about me ePitori. All I know is ngasuka eDaveyton mina because bengihlala ePitori when I signed for SuperSport United.
Yeah.
So the only people that knew me were the people la bengihlala khona estradini sami.
Yeah.
But I played my first, second, third game Pitori at Tradeville.
Yeah.
Besengazi. So now mawuthi we shopping center nyana so ubuliswa ngapha nangapha. That's in a young man's mind. Iyakhawathi.
Yeah.
Yangithola. So ama challenges engikhuluma ngawo ukuthi even the next young boy odlalayo manje these are the things that they must be aware of. Yangithola. So yeah, it's good that when at least you had someone wakhipha endleleni waba right and you were able to focus. So you play at Cosmos Ntwana. Tell me about one game oyikhumbulayo eyagenza was stand out and people started noticing ukuthi nangu uThapelo Thilo uChepis.
Yeah.
And that made other teams to notice you ukuthi there's a young boy odlala lapha ku Cosmos.
Sure. I think we're playing Chiefs Olympia.
Yeah.
Olympia Park, Rustenburg. Yeah. Marking konje bani lengwenye leyo nje. Angithi bekuno search ne. Search wamanje man. Khona wa before bekubani konje. Naye bakanomzimba futhi naye nje.
Umbezuma.
Bengasi bekuno Louis Chima ne. Yeah, I think Louis Chima wase Ghana.
Yeah.
And then kube no usearch ufike manje. I think Louis Chima nabo David Khatebe by the time. So I was marking with David Khatebe. Hey, hayi bekusetshenzwa la.
Yeah.
Ya umkhumbi kaNoah bekashaya imoto.
Aha.
Hayi bekashaya imoto la muntu lo.
Umhleli la.
5-2.
Yeah.
Hayi 5-2. So I think that game it was Coca-Cola semi-final if not quarter final. Yeah, no, it was quarter final because semi-final they played the Pirates same Olympia.
Yeah.
Hey, sadlala eRoyal semi-final ne Pirates. La ngathola khona red card against uTsovila. Yeah, because semi bekwi Pirates iquarter kwi Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think le Chiefs iyo le yangenza ukuthi ayazini la ngabona khona ukuthi hayi manje ngifikile.
Yeah.
Hayi futhi bengingayizwa ke Chiefs. Beka abantu bami lapho. Hayi laba.
And then abantu laba mawubafikele and you stand out.
Yeah.
Normally bagcina sebafaki offer bathi hey siyakucela. Azange ngifike opportunity enjalo wena from
Yafika sense. Ukuhamba kwami ukuya ku Sundowns.
Yeah.
Akumele ngiye ku Chiefs.
Bekumele ku Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So knowing our bosses ke nebu greedy babo by that time angazi manje.
Yeah.
But that time hey baba greedy man.
Yeah.
Because I remember on Friday sise gymini kwafika uTrap Trot Molot afike ejimini ngesizini iCosmos izoregethwa ngayo 2009 afike ejimini uTrot ekseni okay we are training umap and then angibiza uBraje ume noTrot athi no uTrot ufuna ukukhuluma nawe mina ufuna ukukhuluma nami ngani athi hayi imali awuzizwele hayi ngikhuluma naye Hotman ngoTrot asho ukuthi no they are interested ukuthi ngize Chlorokop mina ngizwa kanjani lento leyo mina ngazi ukuthi kumele ngiye kuChiefs because bengazi ukuthi Chiefs same season Leo Morgan nomkiti no Valeri bazoya kuChiefs
okay
bemele ngiye kuChiefs mina la tshisteka yonke into khona
so bekumele nisuke nonke from Cosmos niye kuChiefs
no same season kuhamba umkiti
okay
no Valeri baya kuChiefs uMorgan went later
okay
so that season ila kumele mina ngiye kuChiefs by switcha yonke lento ke bathiwa wena no uya kuSundowns wena awusayi kuChiefs wena la uhamba khona ke umgidi no Valeri
but then since wena bowazi kumele kuChiefs bese bayibekile offer on the table and then Sundowns yeza ne offer and na compare maybe ukuthi
bengazi lutho
wena nje
hayi bengazi lutho ngivele ngabizwa mina etafuleni kwathiwa wena Monday uye Chlorokop
bongana agent
benginayo by that time
so agent yakho ithini makwenza
uBraje nama agent akayifuna agent uBraje namanje niyaxabana umtshela ngeagent
so who negotiates your contract if akayifuni agent
no some bypass thina lapho sithe masifika eChlorokop ila ngabiza khona agent yami mina yangirepresent eChlorokop
but the deal between ama teams
yenze uBraje no Trap yes
and then when agent yakho went to negotiate for you ama personal terms
personal yeah
okay but was the contract good phela from Cosmos to
Sundowns
to Sundowns no hey it's a big money move
be right sense be right ngawusikhathi leso I think it was 2009-10 season magrelekete Cosmos be right but it wasn't that much kodwa bokwazi ukuphila ngayo
compared to other PSL teams it was a good contract because Sundowns is known for paying good money
kodwa ke hayi ngendlela abantu bacabanga ngayo yabona because people they know ukuthi now you sign the Sundowns they expect ukuthi yabona exactly but ke I had to deal with it because bese kucedwe yonke into angisana same lapho icediwa ngithi kuma teams mina nginegotiator in manje ma personal
okay all right it's before siqhubeka let me remind you guys to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get the latest updates zeJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Bafethu and ukusubscribe it's mahala, it's free. Please man guys, please I beg you subscribe on to this show so that we can grow. Sifuna ukuze KZN kahle kahle in the next few months. Maningi ama legends lapha lokayakhala ukuthi asibadonsi la. Since salethu siyandas one enekelethu. So we need to get a lot of guys. There's one guy guys, if you see him nimtshele siyamfuna and we'll make a plan ukuthi simlethe even if eza la eJoburg. Y2K Sibeko, please guys ngicela ningitholeleni yena. I need that guy yo. So ntwana no nyakuza so uthi inyuku bengekho ngalendlela abantu abayicabangayo.
Hayi bengekho.
But mina let me tell you, at Sundowns back in the days, I remember when we were still playing, because we were friends, Tina Nabo Vuyo Mere, Nabo Lerato Shabangu.
Yes.
I was told that in Toana we are with development. My Kali by actually promotion. It basic 35. Is it true? Back then, Tanela was cutting not as in a season, as a bambi no wibamba leoma.
Yo Angas, I'm not sure.
You're not
not sure ngales part le.
But when at least wathola okungqonywana kunalokho.
Bekungqona kunalokho.
Okay, all right. No, hayi kusho ukuthi phela nathi kune inflation yengi. Kusho ukuthi bohola ntwana.
No, bekuphile be right but be right man.
Impilo yachange.
Yashintsha impilo kakhulu futhi. Nasendlini bajabula navutazini. ngaphandle ukuthi uthole 5 bob so uthole 10 rand mine 15 rand so kuyaphile yeah
but manje mawufika lapha manje ufika ke manje ku big team ye kunezitala lapha ama ego yonke lento lena ntwana mawufika first day ntwana uyangena eTlorikop driving in ntwana nayi parking lot ntwana kwenzakalani incundweni yakho ntwana ufila kanjani?
Hey, it was a big one since it was a big one because I remember bekuyi Monday ilanga lakhona kuchinya 10:15 ngeTlorikop yeah 10:15 10:30 yasuka so mina I'm always punctual ngesikhathi I was there ngo-8 man 8 o'clock bengisegeyidini ngibhakile egeyidini lapha but hayi baba kusase early kakhulu futhi uyiplay elisha ngithi hayi banandaba nawo uyiplay elisha banandaba nawo hayi sizombona lo hayi ngibhaye ngaphandle mina ngihleli khona ngilinda isikhathi yashaya imvula langa lakhona yashaya angibhakile ngilinde ukuthi kuvule amagate amajita mafike ngiyabona ke kwangena ngidecide azi ayithi ngingene man ngitshele ukuthi manje beku umkhelele I think yamazi we security umnyama
nje uhlala lapha egate na
yes ngithole yena ngimtshela hayi man no ngize gymini la futhi mangibona ukuthi hayi man ngiyakubona wena man avule ngene obvious mongena eTlorikop yonke into nje ibuthebelelo uyabona na ukuthi kuyaphilwa la ngene vele hayi bangibonise changing room intro bangibonise yonke into nje ukuspana kanjani la ekhaya and then that was it nje biko right yeah my first day
ungene change room that same thing that happened to I mean at Cosmos you know mawufika teamini it's either the team wants to beef up a squad or they want to replace someone.
Yes.
Who was that someone that you think when maybe bakulethe ukuthi uzoreplace or do you think nje beba beef up squads up?
I don't think beba replace. Knowing Sundowns they're playing all the competitions. So I think it was all about beefing up
the squad.
Knowing good Basai Africa there's a trophy na like high. So I think they were beefing up.
So the reception was nice because mina into engiyazi ukuthi iplayer malifika khona uzoba intimidated ukuthi ayile le ifikele mina balethele mina kahle kahle even though we are beefing up the squad but khona uzosafara kunoba nama replacement kuzoba nama rotation and someone uzo lose game time. Who was that player that maybe suffered because you came or you never got the chance ukuthi vele uyenze wena authority yakho mawufika?
I wouldn't say ukuthi or single out ukuthi ubani but I think I was Khadleso. I was competing nabo the legend Matthew Booth bekunabo Method Mwanjali bekunabo Luvengo Mngomeni yabantu bengicompete nabo Khadleso so angeke ngisho ukuthi khona mhlambe uphatheke kabi or kanjani no it was all about umsebenzi sespanning.
So they said the reception was nice from Amachita.
Very nice. Wonke umuntu ungwelcome nje ngendlela right futhi nje.
So from what we see now at Sundowns environment it looks like a happy environment. Family environment. Was it the same nina manisese laphi?
I think improve le kakhulu than thina ngesikhathi sethu. Ngesikhathi sethu it was all about individuals. Kanti manje it's a team thing. That is why ubona nje bayaspanisana having the guys like abo Grand Kekana uyu umuntu ombonayo ukuthi uhlanganisa amajita uhlale ajoka ayenza amajita relax but ngesikhathi sethu it was difficult besazi ukuthi semsebenzini so span shaya span phuma uhamba ekhaya
so bekumazibona kahle
ngasho kanjalo
so kusho ukuthi
but we had leaders ngosikhathi leso futhi the likes abo Surprise esinomnyandoro abantu bahlale basenza ukuthi sibe one.
And then who was the coach?
Mangifika beku Johan Neskins.
Neskins.
Yes, beku Neskins.
And then your time at Mamelodi Sundowns was not one of the greatest. Because you never got too much time to play.
Yes.
So abantu ababhaya they've been asking ukuthi yini ama reasons ukuthi uThapelo angadlali because knowing you from Cosmos people thought uzofika uclick because technically you are also good and you are a strong defender.
Yeah.
According to wena yini ama reasons ukuthi mhlambe ufike lapho ungadlali?
I'd like to say it can be politics, man.
Yeah.
Politics football, but then once mawumdlali uyithatha uyifake enhloko izokulimaza. So you need to focus when nje ushaya ispan sakho training, you give 100% and then wait for your turn.
You gave 100%, but you still did not play.
I didn't play, yes.
Politics of football. Maybe if you can elaborate, maybe bekuyini lawo ma politics wena according to wena mawubhekile ukuthi mhlawumbe bathanda lo personally what was the reason mawutha ma politics mhlawumbe for someone who doesn't know ma politics of football.
Yeah.
Because remember I told you we're here to teach.
Yeah.
Some people will say linye player lingadlali lapha bazibuza why siphombula ngadlali.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the politics you're talking about. So
yeah.
what were those politics?
Knowing ukuthi okay, assistant coach Bogian Koro.
Yeah.
Noskatles and then kuye uJohannes Kins. And then knowing ukuthi Ian Koro was from Zim, and then there's Method Mwanjali buye Zim.
Okay.
And then experience playing against Matthew Booth.
Obviously.
He has to play.
Yeah.
And then Ulontuzu Ian Koro ufuna ukudlalisa Method.
Yeah.
So now those were the challenges.
When we had no one to stand up
exactly.
for you.
But then I'm glad ukuthi ithe mahamba isikhathi. Ian came and spoke to me with no Chepi. Just keep working.
Yeah.
You'll get your time. There's the league saseyindi league.
Yeah.
And then when I wait for your time, keep working. Yeah.
And I think you stayed for a season lapha, ne?
Yeah, I stayed
out.
one season. Ngabuyela Cosmos. And then ngabuya futhi.
Wow.
That was 2013 mangibuyela.
So you went back for another season with them.
Yeah.
So mawubuyela uthola yipi coach manje?
Bese kuno bani masengibuyela went from Cosmos. Angisakhumbuli bekunobani by that time. Kodwa ile lona le yakagorowa nje futhi. Because makhamba ugorowa usazi ukufika bani. Kodwa nje it was their process nje.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Mara wena according to wena, do you think you were given a fair chance lapha?
Angizange ngithole.
Azange
ngithole chance enough to prove myself.
To prove yourself.
Yeah, angizange. But then ngeke ngikhombe umuntu ngithi lo wenzeni no, it's football. It's football.
Since go lapho uke wathola chance ukumitha maybe the president Dr. Patrice Motsepe.
Yes, I did because like Sundowns every month kuba nama individual awards.
Okay.
So we meet the president now and then.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How is he as a person?
All right.
Yeah.
He's like a father to everyone.
Yeah.
Especially makhona eCloricop kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi utime alikhona manje kuzoba busy futhi.
Ilunich.
Shavu
Senya gate crash.
awufikile.
Thanks Tsivo mfethu for isikhatsi sakho bo.
Utsivo lo.
Utsivo konjilo o left. Yeah uthe.
Yes.
Askisi. Kodwa wayinkodla
Yeah.
uChepi. No Chepi just ukungena because nginithole senihlafuna. Ngifuna uku-add because kule nto yisho opportunity okhuluma ngayo ukuthi bowuspana but ufile ngathi awutholanga i-fair chance.
Yeah.
Usayinwe ubani? Because sometimes why ngibuza le question ne? Sometimes angisho usayinwa ucoach.
Yeah.
Sometimes uthandwa i-management.
Yes.
Usayinwa i-management then uthola ukuthi manje i-coach iyaclasha nawe. Uthola ukuthi akusiye kusayina. Ubani wena wakusayina kahle? Is it the management or the coach?
Yeah, thanks Job. I think before ufike besikhuluma ngayo sino sense. Yeah, kwafika uTrap
Utrot, yeah.
uye wafika egrounding last gym khona Cosmos.
Okay.
On a Friday sizoye gaming Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then he came wakhuma no Braje.
Okay.
Ngitshela ukuthi no, we need this boy. I think Oscar bese kubonakala nje na mathematically ukuthi hayi Cosmos hayi ya relegate manje.
Oh yeah.
And then wafika uTrap wakhuma no Braje ukuthi no lo mfana siyamdinga. So maybe ukusho ukuthi uTrap management
Yeah.
efune ngeze Sundowns.
Oh so shoot so ucabanga ukuthi kungaba yiyo i-reason mhlawumbe ukuthi ucoach maybe azange akunikeze that fair chance.
I think so ukuthi maybe coach azange abone ngelihlo libone mina nje.
Yeah. Oh. No lethi ungachubeka mfethu ngizawungena bafethu.
Sibonga we ghost.
Yeah ngighost mfethu.
Yeah, no mfethu. Ngizongena nje kuma Luntuzana. Just the first questions ngifuna ukuza the best coach you played. Okay, before I get there. You went to Polokwane City.
Yeah.
After your Sundowns career.
Yes. Actually, I went to Wits.
Oh, you went to Wits?
Before Polokwane, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usayina ubani Kevin Hunt?
Ngisayina Clive Park.
Clive Park.
Yeah, the late Clive Park.
Okay.
Yeah, umuntu actually like normally off season I will train Melvin with the boys. Jimmy Sintwana ezingena ama team, the likes of Abo Zongo, Mayambela, skade bangena ama team.
Yeah.
I used to gather them by Jimmy just to keep fit.
Yeah.
And then we played the friendly game, Nevits, Starrock Park.
Yeah.
And then uClive busy after game time man. Kwenzakalani, what are you doing now? Ngimtshenge time man. I'm training these boys just to keep them fit but told them teams if opportunity figure but told them right. And that time man, I'll feel up for assessment for 2-3 weeks and then ngishone ku Wits ke eStarrock Park. Train with them. Ngesikhathi sabumbazo abo bongo leyo season leyo. Yeah. Yes. Train with them and then that akhulume ne management. And then kufike ucoach Ash endlini West Makhaya. Afike ngini athi no Chepi. I-team interested ukuthi kunikeze contract ye 1 year. Ngithi no problem. Akunjani no problem. I can play and then sibone ukuthi sizwana ngani. Makuphela season leyo lo 1 year leyo. If kune extension mina I'm okay. Yeah. I can still continue. And nesazwana kanjalo ke I played ku Wits leyo season. Not a season futhi it was 1 year, it was half a season. Because I remember just after pre-season until May. Ngadlala ku Wits ke under Clive Park.
Yeah.
Makahamba uMadala kwangena uKevin Hunt.
Yeah.
Ila ngibize khona uKevin ngithi hayi Chepi mina no. I don't think ngizokuspanisa. Yeah, Kevin.
Ukutshela straight nje.
Yeah, ngitshela straight. Yeah, wangibiza straight. Yeah, futhi ngibizwa bekubani uFerreira I think manager.
Yeah, uJoe.
Yeah, ngibiza nje no. uKevin no ngiyakuspanisa. I'm not my planning wakhe. Ngathi no. Yeah.
And one would think uChepi Kevin Hunt.
Kahle chance yazi ngifuna ukusho kanjalo. Yeah, that's why I'm surprised uChepi makathi uKevin uthange kamsebenzise because normally ama player wakhe exact. Yeah, no like I'm thinking the same thing.
To bring in Ubongani
Khumalo.
I think there was Aaron.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so he wanted to bring in plus no OJ was there.
Oh, so someone they had to sacrifice someone.
Yes.
Oh, now it makes
so yenzeka kanjalo ke ngahamba kanjalo ke after lo short season leyo and then I left iLontuza ke Wits, went back and trained with my boys. Ngathola a call from ePolokwane but they need me there to come for assessment again. Ngashona ePolokwane, trained with them 2 weeks. They gave me contract. That was 2014. Yeah.
Ubani usanwa coach manje.
Usanwa coach. Kodwa ke naye iLontuza bengifrostana. ePolokwane becoacha uBobby Solomons.
Okay.
Yeah, becoach Bobby Solomons. Saklika vele yonke into benanti plus ne boss uMkhaladi uJohn naye bese right naye. So yaspana kanjalo ke idila sePolokwane.
So I remember you were made captain.
Yeah.
Same season, Murphy.
Same season, yeah.
Against the captain.
Yeah.
How was it like leading their team there? Inexperienced players, different cities, usuke Jozi, uye Polokwane, villages.
Yeah.
Bekunjani nje ukutransition nje usuke your first time phela uphuma eJozi uyodlala le Makhaya. Bekunjani nje mentally for wena?
It's all about adjustment. Bekungekho nzima for mina. Bekungekho easy futhi. But being a leader, melu adjust. Yeah. It's only about adjustment.
That's why I'm considering the fact when he's from Sundowns, he never got a fair chance to play.
Yeah.
He goes to Wits. Nakona never played that much. And then now we are going to Polokwane. your mental state
Yeah.
sikanjani ntwana, because there's that thing yokuthi manje unokudoubta,
Yeah.
ukuzibuza ukuthi am I good enough?
Yeah.
Mawuya lapho, how's your mental state?
Hey, ngazitshela senze ukuthi ngifuna ispan. Ngifuna ispan. Ngifuna ukusebenzela endlini.
So it was
So,
about surviving, man.
Yes.
Kumele
Yes.
ngifanele nje.
Bekusurvive but.
So the love of football and playing nje. So now it's about surviving and
Njalo.
supporting a family.
Yeah, it was all about surviving. And I'm glad ukuthi ngimanagile ukuthi yonke into ngi-adjust in time and very quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you played for how many seasons lap, yeah?
From 2014 until 2017-18.
So would you say Epulukwane you were successful as a player?
Yeah, I can say that, yeah.
Your memorable moments, what you loved about Pulukwane, what you didn't like, bekuyini mhlawumbe?
Me being there, I enjoyed the Polokwane because number one, it's a friendly province, Polokwane. Yonke into nje smooth, akunamsindo, kunepeace.
Yeah.
And then coming to football wise, ngesizini engifike ngayo mina leya 2014 under uBobby. We were not competing. We just wanted, because if you remember, it was a season I was promoting after the accident and everything.
Or when they lost players.
Yes,
Yeah.
it was a season I was promoting. So, and funny enough, my lento accident, nama playoff, I was watching them.
Yeah.
Ipulukwane City. I was watching them. Abadlala playoff. And then I had that soft spot in Ipulukwane City. I don't know kanjani futhi. And then me being there, ngasho ngithi it was a blessing.
Yeah.
Game.
It was spiritual.
Exactly.
And we would,
Yeah, bwana.
Yeah.
So yonke into mayenzeka yangitoucha athi mayazini labantwana laba kwenzekeni. Ngoba into yenzeka phela mawuphuma nobody lePulukwane. Yangitoucha indaba yakhona ngathi no man. Why ngazama ukuya lapha? And funny enough ngathola call ngashona khona. And then I stayed there for 5 to 6 years ePulukwane.
Maulap and the boys that survived the accident, Mauluku udlala nabo, how were they mentally?
Hey,
right.
they were not okay.
Yeah.
They were not okay because some of them even went for a counseling. They even went to an extent goodbye esontweni. Khona esontweni ngale elakhona lesePulukwane.
Is it CC?
Yes.
Yeah.
Baya khona, and then through counseling and everything. Baba right because nabo the likes of captain le manje Puleng Xolani.
Yeah.
I think Nai was one of them. Amachita lawa we involved with the accident, yeah. But then Baba right as time goes on. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ngisamamele ngizamukhetha apho. Ngizamukhetha apho. Ngisaseferi nje enda ngijoyinanga ngile site. Hayi namhlanje Chelsea ngisibangalele hle ukuthi ukhena kanyisa njani manje na. Ngikanya ngaphethe.
Uthi ngingena kuphi la?
Yeah, no but iPulukwane mdladla emajiteni nje ubani nje amajita nje bewahlupha nje angisho mina niyazi bengihlupha. So as a leader ubani lo ntwana bekade uthi makuyiwe campaign imele umbheke umonitor ukuthi use campaign ulele ngesikhathi so that ikusasa sathi ukuthi azokunikeza 110%. And bowudila kanjani nama challenges kanjalo mdlala umuntu o ill discipline as a leader bowudila nayo kanjani wena as a captain?
Yeah, I think just to mention a few, the captain or the current captain, Jaman Puleng Xolani. Hey, yeah, that boy is something else. But then me as a senior player, bengimeleng dilenai.
Yeah.
Bengimeleng dilenai.
Behlupha le.
Yo namanje.
Hayibo.
Namanje ukuthi ungithole ufikele kimi or ngifikele kuwe because ngithole yena lapha ya. And wathola ukuthi uba ezangeni ezi right. Ngimbonisa ukuthi ayintwana yami yenza so ungenza so. Hey, that boy,
how did he survive udlala professional football ahlupha for so many years? Phela he's been there for a very long time. Yini bayamthanda amaboss mhlawumbe?
Kakhulu futhi. Hayi ePulukwane futhi angeke ayendawo. I think uyoze kuphela icareer yakhe lapha.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's acting njengethama lakhe number 1 angithi like wakhele nedlakhe extendela so nje ufana thama lakhe lapha so me being the under ilontuza under shoulder yami ngikwazi ukumbonisa indlela nontwana yami thina sibathi akule game siyazi kumele wenzeni ungenzini that boy will wake me up ngo5 ekseni akalalanga
athini
uthina ushayisa imoto or udakiwe
yeah eish
ayi boke problem or uyagura nemaid endlini semele ngingene ngiyolungisa uyabona into ezinjalo
Yeah.
so nje hey that boy but then you have uLontuza the knowledge brother uWalter problem
yes
child naye
Walter muphi into?
Walter Musona.
umusona uyamkhumbula umusona yeah
Oh yeah.
So nje bengihlala ngi-on guard ukuthi bese ngi-security lepolokwane kula ntwana lezi
Yeah.
ngizibonisa indlela kodwa nje hayi it was a journey right engithandile futhi lapha
So when according to you kulama team lawo wadlalele wonke,
yeah
where would you say you played
but me yeah that's where
as coach you played?
Solomons.
Upoli.
I was
As generally nje upoli.
and ngifika kwi-PSL I enjoyed that part but me being now a matured player I would say Polokwane City yeah that's where I enjoyed my
As a
football
senior player.
as a senior player yes
And then the best coach you played under?
we Bobby Solomons
Paul.
yeah
Hamitu Zotuprache.
I'll show you as a senior player or as a
Just generally nje upoli.
Bobby I'll have to choose Bobby
Why upoli mhlambe mfethu?
ukufika kwempilo kangafikela kuye so everything nje bekuya khona yeah bekuya khona and he will guide you njenge time ukuthi no noma kuso senze so not as a player but as a time yeah
So he was there for you nje for into ezibhayi.
it is a buy it's as a buy
so manje ivalo ukuthi premiership benishama sonje
kuphi hayi hayi ayikho akusivar le hayi hayi ayikho kanjalo nje
Yeah.
yeah
All right, Ndwana, no man. So current Ndwana, what are you doing?
yeah njengamanje I'm coaching I'm into coaching I have my badges I'm going for the C now my badges wami and then I'm coaching team idlala ku-SAP la East Black Scorpion yes
Oh, okay, so ndlala yiphi division mhlambe?
dlala SAP Castle
Hollywood man.
Hollywood yes
Oh, all right. Okay. No Ntwana man. Angazi Jabu usafuna ukufaka faka.
hayi nje mhlambe ngingabuza ukuthi njengoba seka uyicoach
Yeah.
ulibona kanjani idisk lethu mdladla nje generally South African football I mean Hugo Bros yes we didn't do well the last AFCON but time amfethu lifike i-country yethu nje ngathi bekungena direction kahle ngimangayibeka kanjalo bese nabantu bebangaya e-stadium ibafana bebangasayibukeli nje at all a lot of people but now uyabona suka ama full house manje bafana amayidlala so yini oyibonayo mhlambe si improve as a country nesidinga ukuyi-improve futhi moving forward
yeah no I think Lapoche we need to give you credit we need to give you credit where it's due I think Minnesota in Lam he has done well
ne
he has done well I think we now see a structure
yes
identity
yes
as a national team even nama club at club levels we have improved it's no longer ilontuza ethi Sundowns iya dominator now iPirates ivukile
yeah
iPirates ivukile not only Pirates I think the Chiefs is coming kancane they will get there they will get better so I think mina he has done well uHugo
so do you think because sine problem nyazi ubuyi defender vele but sine problem yokukora amagoli
yeah
eSouth Africa nje as a nation So abantu bahlala basho ukuthi we see now overseas when knowledge yes some of the teams introducing like striker coach.
Yeah.
So do you think defensively as a defender simnandi or ngikhuluma generally nje as a country mawubukela ama game every day we PSL as a defender mawubukela, do you think defensively simnandi, and if simnandi yini strong points sethu, and if asikho mnandi kukuphi la singalungisa khona defensive as a defender as a country?
Yeah. I-game ishintshile Jabu. It's all about i-understanding. I-game ishintshile. It's modern now and then.
Yeah.
Ayisafani nakuqala ngathi
Ngesikhathi
ukuthi
yeah.
mawuyi-defender you need to be tall ube njani. Now we have short center backs abo Sibisi.
Abumbokazi,
Exactly. So it's all about understanding. I think as a country we are doing well. Mina sayidini lami ngakusho.
Yeah, because benginewarinyana ngayo umbokazi
Yeah.
ngokuya phesheya ngithi maybe bazomconverter yabona mhlambe bamenze
Left back,
iwing.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
but I mean
yes,
yeah,
yeah.
he left back
Yeah.
because of but
Yes.
he's still playing his original and
Yeah,
he's doing
he's
well.
doing
Yeah,
well.
he's doing well. So
Yes.
ukuthi nje kufuna i-timing kahle.
Timing but.
Mara boshaya isicathulo nawe ntwana.
Hayi namanje futhi.
Yeah.
Ngeke.
umuntu ukhahlela lapho kumama
Hayi bafita chip yakeke ayixolela ndothi kunini
Hayi.
kunini basikhwaya laba.
Yeah.
Yeah, namanje usasena le crack.
Futhi ngikhumbula kahle nginawe lapha eJohannesburg.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
like this.
Azathi ujaba imidlalo yemakancane.
Ngithe uyehlise ndoda.
Siyasebenza la.
Ngithe ndoda. Hey uyalwa wena. And it's just a game. Yakuvula ngithe mhlahla uyehlise man. Hey uvulele man.
Yeah. No, as a defender you need to be hard.
Yeah.
Bangadlaleli kuwe.
Yeah.
Yeah. By doing that uzostamp authority yakho. Akeke uzosondela kuwe.
Yeah. So Ntwana, one last question from myself. Ilona Ntwana, iCosmos Ntwana and uPrachi.
Yeah.
Cosmos idlala kuphi manje ku ABC?
APC, yeah.
Ku ABC.
Yeah, APC.
There's one thing that I've been thinking about looking at what Uprache has done for the country, not just the Cosmos. He has produced so many players.
Yeah.
So many players. That's why I call it an institution, because manje mawuhleli ubheka isponsor kaBrache, he's introduced he's produced players,
Yeah.
coaches.
Yes.
There's performance analysts that come from that institution. There's physio. There's everyone that come from Uprache. But team yake it's struggling. Why all these people that he has helped so much bangabuyi bayonceda leya team le? That team I don't believe ukuthi it should be playing where they are playing.
Yeah.
If you look at the people that he has produced around the football.
Yeah.
Hence we say Cosmos is an institution. It's not a football team. It's an institution. Why team le ilapha when all of you, I'm a player like Cosmos is like I'm a player, a coach or coach B, so they are doing something.
Yeah.
They are coaches, but they are doing something, and it's all because of Uprache and what he has done. Why? What? Kabangani wena nje mawucabanga ubheka ukuthi the reason maybe utshela ama viewers wethu the reason maybe according to wena balaba khona it's because of 1 2 3.
Yeah, I think when I sense it's all about understanding nakhona kuye time uBrache. I-football ishintshile sense. Ishintshe kakhulu i-football kakhulu. So now he needs to surround himself nabantu aba more modern.
Oh
Yes, go with the times. Ayisekho lento le ukuthi manje iqathulo Cosmos. Yes, ilonto zakhona, culture yakhona. But now he needs to thola abantu abakwi modern football abazomnceda naye. And it's time ukuthi naye ahlale phansi athola umuntu.
Anikeza abantu.
Yeah.
Like his son uPamuza.
Hayi angazi lapho. I don't think ngamnikeza.
Oh.
Yeah.
Any reason maybe?
Ufuna ukuzibambela yena.
Oh, okay.
Asala akazibambele but akahlale lapha ya athola umuntu ozohlala ebenchini.
Maybe technical director
Yes.
or something.
Ingamspanela kanjalo.
Because there's a lot of you who are coaches.
Baningi futhi.
So akafuni kunigaya.
Akafuni. Ufuna ukuyidlala nje.
Ufuna ukuzibambela.
Yeah. Engeke umblame futhi naye ngithi.
it's so unfortunate Jabu yazi mfethu mina
and lela time alithanda ibhola
Kakhulu.
Yeah.
Kakhulu.
yangisambonile nami
Yeah, yeah.
lo muntu uthanda ibhola but there must be time for change also
Exactly.
somewhere uyamthola JP
imphathini angithi knowledge sekasigayile
Hey.
abogayile
Hey.
gaya labantu bagayile
hey
mos.
ilento ngisho ngithi I mean we see even uBrake ngabo Junior nabo Jessica
Yeah.
yes the abantu bangakhala bayenzeni but no Brake when he came back he was not iChiefs azange be
Chiefs
he made a lot of mistakes
Yeah.
we understand naye nabo the late Clarence Mlokoti the co-founders is a Kaizer Chiefs
Yes.
Thema la kaMdokisi nani but manje ithema nali lithe okay uzoba la ngenani la abafana nisebenze so
Yes.
uBrake I think nice manje ntwana uyayidinga leyo
Ayanikeza
rest.
bani?
Yeah uyayidinga leyo rest
Yazi-
in my view nyamaza uthanda ibhola kakhulu
Yeah.
kakhulu
And the problem with that, maybe I just wish he can listen to this. And I refer it to abantu base Europe. There's Johan Cruyff.
Yes.
There's Leo Ban Bisla. Abantu ben knowledge of football that they've created books.
Marcelo Paisley. Yes.
But yes, Marcelo Paisley. They've created books on how football should be played. I think uPrajay na if he believed in incwadi mhlambe because some people don't believe kuncwadi.
Yeah.
Nje ukuthi angisi coach incwadi mina.
Unjalo. vele.
Ngiyabo.
Unjalo.
But
vele.
his knowledge should be imparted to us. Because mina I believe ukuthi it's not by chance ukuthi produce ama player angaka eSouth Africa.
yo ndoda
And then le knowledge yakhe uyofanayo uPrajay.
Ash.
Why don't you pass it on? Why don't you get someone who will write a book and say, how do you see Bola when a Prajay? Ahlale phansi see script 10, 5 years, 20 years from now, we will have a way on how South African football should be played according to uPrajay. Manje sibukela ibhola Johan Cruyff. We believe Guti, this is how football should be played because of Johan Cruyff. It's because Europeans believe in documenting stuff.
documenting yes
So I believe about Prajay we should do that in Ntwana so that we can continue and have the identity that we are talking about as a country.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chapel Ntwana, Chapis, thank you
Thanks.
so much for coming.
Thanks, Bot.
Like it Mfana. 100 years from now, your kids will be watching this. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shadis, Shuffling Diski Ringers. Siyavala manje. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get the latest shows or updates.
Updates.
Zeshintwana.
siyabonga
Thank you.
JP
Thanks,
siyabonga
Tagotma.
Fethu.
Thanks,
Tada.
Bafethu.